Did you know Sean Paul cracked a code that no dancehall artist had figured out before? Okay, get this. While every Jamaican artist was failing to break America, Sean Paul was in the studio perfecting a secret formula. He didn't just tone down his patois, he strategically kept it thick enough to stay credible in Jamaica, but clear enough for American radio. Genius move. Then he linked up with the Neptunes and other hip-hop producers who understood American ears. But here's the real trick. Sean Paul studied American radio like homework. He timed his vocal delivery, made his ad-libs catchier, and used specific studio techniques to make every word pop through car speakers. When Get Busy hit #1 on Billboard, it wasn't luck, it was calculated. He became the first dancehall artist to win a Grammy because he understood the industry politics other artists ignored. But this success split Jamaica. Some called him a sellout for watering down the culture. Others said he opened doors for everyone. Today, every dancehall artist trying to cross over is basically using Sean Paul's playbook, whether they admit it or not.